Hi folks, and welcome to Dutch Cooking. Today we're making skillet fried chicken with some slaw and fries. If you like what we're doing here at Dutch Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell. So the first thing we're going to do is make the slaw. For that I've got a quarter head of white cabbage I've just finely chopped. I've got 1 carrot that I've julienned, and half a red onion that I've finely sliced. So what we'll do now, we're going to add these all to one bowl. We'll give them a good mix in. Now if we're in a fancy restaurant, we'll call this a naked slaw and charge a fortune. But as we're not, we're going to add half a cup of mayonnaise. So we'll just combine the mayonnaise in now to our slaw mix. That's our coleslaw ready. The next thing to make is a dredge for our chicken. So I've got 1 cup of plain flour and 3 teaspoons of Dutchies Chicken Rub, and I'll put a link above. So we're going to put these into a Ziploc bag. A good shake up, get them more combined together. And now we're going to add our chicken breasts. It's all in there. Take the glove off, give them a good shake round, make sure the breasts are fully covered, and they're ready. So I've got this 10.5-inch deep cast iron skillet. We'll put it on the stove and get it warmed up. I'm not cooking outside today because the weather is absolutely awful. So to this we're going to add some vegetable oil. Now I want to fill this about a third full. I'm just going to bring this up to a temperature of about 160°C. First thing we're going to cook is our fries. Now these are just oven ready fries, frozen. I've let them defrost, and we're just going to cook these off. We're going to go with these fries until they're nice, golden and crisp. Let some of the oil drop out. Get them onto a paper towel to absorb the extra oil. That's our fries ready. Next thing is to cook the chicken. So I'm just going to gently lower the chicken breast into the skillet. We're also running around about 160°C. Give these a good turn. See that crispy coating starting to form now. Start to test the temperature of these. The outer ones are reading 74 degrees C. The middle one is not quite up to temperature yet. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove the 2 outer chicken pieces, get them some kitchen paper to start absorbing that fat. Move this one over. So there we have it, that's Dutchy's Skillet Fried Chicken, served with a side of fries, coleslaw and a little pot of gravy for dipping. If you like what we're doing here at Dutch Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.